Using a Kroger gift card for gas is a convenient way to save money on fuel purchases. To get started, make sure you have a Kroger gift card with a sufficient balance to cover the cost of the gas you want to purchase. First, locate a Kroger gas station or a participating gas station that accepts Kroger gift cards. You can find a list of participating locations on the Kroger website or by using their store locator tool. Once you arrive at the gas station, pull up to the pump and insert your payment card or select the Pay Inside option. If you choose to pay inside, let the attendant know that you would like to use a Kroger gift card to pay for your gas. If you are paying at the pump, select the Pay with Gift Card option and follow the prompts to enter your gift card information. You will need to enter the gift card number and the PIN or security code, which can be found on the back of the card. After entering your gift card information, the system will prompt you to select the type of fuel you want to purchase and authorize the transaction. If the gift card balance is sufficient to cover the cost of the gas, the transaction will be approved and you can begin fueling your vehicle. It is essential to note that some Kroger gift cards may have restrictions or limitations on their use, such as only being redeemable at certain locations or for specific types of purchases. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of your gift card before attempting to use it for gas. Additionally, keep in mind that Kroger gift cards can only be used for purchases up to the available balance on the card. If you attempt to purchase gas that exceeds the available balance, the transaction will be declined. To avoid any issues, it is a good idea to check your gift card balance before heading to the gas station. You can do this by visiting the Kroger website or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions of your Kroger gift card, you can easily use it to pay for gas at a participating location. This can be a great way to save money and make the most of your gift card balance.